the arm.
Step out of the car.
Step out of the car. Thank you very much.
Face the car. Hands behind your back. Again, you're under arrest for obstructing.
On December 29th, 2024, in Weed, California, police stopped a vehicle after a traffic camera detected a suspended license plate due to a mandatory insurance violation. However, instead of cooperating, the man in the car immediately became uncooperative and repeatedly asked to call a lawyer.
Hello. How's it going? I'm Officer Susanne from the Weed Police Department. The reason I stopped you is because your plates are suspended. Your license plates. They're suspended. Mandatory insurance violation. Do you have insurance on the car?
Okay.
Do you have driver's license as well? Where are you coming from?
Doesn't matter.
Okay. Do you have insurance on the car?
I guess not.
No? Okay. Do you have driver's license on you?
I do.
Okay. Do you mind if I take a peek at that?
It doesn't matter.
What do you mean it doesn't matter?
I'm just gonna call for my lawyer.
Okay. Is there a reason?
Yeah.
Okay. What's the reason?
It doesn't matter. Let me just...
Alright. Tango 30 from 1 Drive. Can you head over here?
When asked to show his driver's license, the man refused, claiming it was not important, and rolled up his windows despite repeated orders from the police. The confrontation escalated when the driver also refused to get out of the car, ignoring the officer's lawful requests.
Tango 30, 10-4 from Main Parkway.
Do you have some copies?
Roll down the window. No, roll down the window. Tango 1, just for info. He rolled up the window. He's refusing to roll the window down.
10-4, and you're aware of the signal 6 for the individual as well as the 28?
I am. I just haven't made sure that was him, but once I do, we can send on it. Roll down the window.
10-4.
Roll down the window.
Go to Channel 9. Blanchard, Evergreen, Blanchard, Oklahoma.
Oh. Roll down the window. Car's off right now. Roll down the window. Roll down the window. Roll down the window.
3 west.
Tango 30 out with 1.
All right, now it's your time to step out of the car. If you're not going to step out of the car, you're going to be placed under arrest. Now's your time to step out of the car.
Okay.
Step out of the car. If you don't get out of the car, you're going to be placed under arrest. Do you understand?
Hey.
Step out of the car. If you're not going to step out of the car, I've asked you 3 times, you're going to be placed under arrest for obstructing. Do you understand?
After 3 warnings, the driver still did not comply. Police were forced to open the door, remove the seatbelt, and arrest him in the driver's seat for obstructing an officer on duty. At this point, the man confirmed his identity, but remained uncooperative.
Are you going to step out of the car?
What's your first name, sir? Give me 1 second. What's your first name, sir? My name is Tim. Hey. This is not going to help your case. Undo your seatbelt and step out of the vehicle. I will not ask again. Sir, I'm instructing you
423.
to remove your seatbelt and step out of the vehicle, or I will place you under arrest for obstruction. Do you understand? Do you hear the sound of my voice? Yes or no? You understand that you're being taken into custody for obstruction, yes? For failing to comply with my lawful order. That's really what we want to do tonight? That's how we want to proceed? Okay. I'm going to reach across you now and remove your seatbelt. Please do not do anything else. Right now you are under arrest for obstruction. You understand? That's an affirmative yes? Okay, fantastic. As soon as that gets up there.
Keys are up there too.
Do you have anything on you that could be construed as a weapon? He's under arrest right now for obstruction.
There, so.
Anything on you could stick me, poke me, hurt me, or anything like that? No? Okay, fantastic. You grab this arm? Yep. Over the arm.
Step out of the
Step out the car. Thank you very much.
Face the car. Hands behind your back. Again, you're under arrest for obstructing. How is that? Is that too tight or are you good? Okay, I can fit one finger in each one. In each hand.
Tango 411. Tango 1.
Number 5. Tango 401. Do you want a DL image?
30 affirmative. Please send it to all of our entities.
Pepper, I'll get it sent.
Anything on you that's gonna poke me or stick me? All right.
Refuse to provide ID, right, Eric?
Yes, you did.
Okay. All right.
Or we're going on the side of the car. Yeah, I'm going to. Just hold them right real quick. I'm just gonna turn these the beams on.
You face the car. Take 2 steps to your right. 2 steps to your right. You take 2 steps to your right.
We're gonna step over here, okay?
Alright, spread your feet. Here, he's got this, whatever this is. What that is.
Hi, this is Sergeant Green with the Weed Police Department. I'm not going to manipulate his phone any further, but I did want to grab it and put it with his property. Well, sister, can you first tell me what his first and last name is, because he is completely uncooperative and will not speak with us. Trenton Cooper. Okay. That gives us an idea of what we're working with. Alright. Yeah, I mean, No, he refused to provide ID.
He's got his ID in his wallet right here.
He refused to open the window or the car door for some time, and then when he was ordered to step out of the vehicle, he refused to do that as well. So he's currently under arrest for obstruction, and I don't know what else is
Tango
going to
forward,
He's
27.
obviously going to come back to the station with us. The vehicle...
We're gonna go to the back of the car over here, alright?
Right now, his vehicle is leaving the car. As far as I know, until I talk to him, I don't know.
Just hold on one second.
At the scene, the driver was identified as Trenton Cooper, who refused to provide identification, did not open his window, and did not exit the vehicle upon request. He was charged with 2 counts of obstructing a peace officer and driving with a suspended registration. Dashcam footage captured the entire incident.
10-4.
10-4, I'll get it started. Break off 2 get in.